Well, the food is delicious,
Yes, I agree.
to say the least. It's so easy to stay really on your plan. I think there's so many different people here and they have different needs, and the crew, I think they prepared something for everybody.
Yeah.
So everybody can choose what they like. So the buffets are amazing, and I think it's just great, the food. I love it.
Yeah.
I think it sets a good example for somebody who didn't care much about it and hasn't got the details. The food seems to set a good example of what it is like. At home I had a good breakfast, so I would call myself a half low-carber.
Yeah.
I love a good breakfast with German bread.
Yeah. Yes.
And for the rest of the days I could easily go with meals like that here.
Yes.
So hardly any carbs. And now that I'm here and everything is so comfortably and ready presented, I try to go without a breakfast, and it worked.
Yes.
Which made me wonder a lot,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Oh, it's excellent. Well, I love the Spanish food and the Mallorquin food, and also it's so easy to go here and don't have to ask for special or exclude things, and you can just be very comforted in that's what's served. It's just great natural food, low carb, of course.
Yes.
Food's amazing.
Yeah.
It's one of the drawing cards. Yeah, it's so nice to be on vacation and not have to worry about carbs. And, yeah.
The food was delicious. It was so fun to eat low carb food without thinking how is my blood sugar is going to react. And yes, it was very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I mean, the food is perfect. It's. I mean, I normally only eat once a day, but here I can't really resist having lunch as well, because the food is perfect, and you can have. If you're into vegetables, you can have great vegetables. If you're into only meat and carnivore things, it's good meat, good sausages and cheeses and everything. It's perfect. Really nice.
The food has been brilliant, absolutely brilliant, far better than I could have hoped for, and certainly not my experience of, sort of hotel eating in the past. And actually, it's really reinvigorated my commitment to low carb eating.
Yeah.
Absolutely, and it looks appetizing and it tastes fantastic.
The food has been really good. I've been following Dr. Bernstein's plan for low carb for the last 4 years, and I teach people how to follow the program. And of course, food is such a huge aspect of that. And so I've had absolutely no problem following low carb here, and it's actually so refreshing to be in a place where everybody understands low carb and keto, and it's the food has been amazing the entire time. It's really customizable depending on if you want more fat or more protein, more vegetables. It's all there, so it's really good.
Food. I'm used to going to conferences, diabetes conference, and usually there's nothing I can eat because it's all carbs. And now I'm very pleased because there is always something to eat which suits me. So I'm very pleased.